This is a tutorial on how to fill out your SMU time card. First, you will start by logging in using your SMU network username and password. Once you do so, click Submit, and then go up above on the left-hand side and say Create New Time Card. Your name, employee number, and department should automatically default to what it is recorded in the payroll system. The pay period will also default to the current pay period. However, if you need to submit a time card from a prior pay period, you can do so here. It's important that you follow the exact format in recording your time that is indicated on this little sample here. It's also important that you submit a separate time card for each type of work that you do. So say, for instance, if you did tutoring and TA during the same pay period, submit 2 separate time cards. So I'm going to give you an example of me doing, say, for instance, some tutor work. So I started at 9 and I'm going to check out at 12 p.m. And then I need to record the hours here. The system currently does not calculate the hours, so you have to manually enter the hours under days, day hours right here. And then you need to record the type of work you did. So for instance, I did tutor. You need to make sure that you indicate the type of work you did so that you can make sure that you get paid the correct hourly rate. And let's just say on May 30th, you did some more tutoring. So let's just say 12 p.m. and to 1 p.m. See, I forget to put the 0 here, and 1 hour. So you did a total of 4 hours, and down here below you'll notice it'll say charge to department. This is where you need to know which department needs to approve your time card. So for tutor work it would go to 8042. So here we go, and then you just need to make sure that you select the appropriate signature authority that you work for under your campus. So in this case I'm going to go ahead and use Catherine Leroy. And then also under pay code, if you can please note work study, we will check it on the back end to make sure that you are work study eligible. If not, we'll correct that piece, so don't worry about that for now. So you have a total, I believe, of 4 hours, and so you would record 4 hours and then just sign your time card. Now, if you sign your time card like this and then submit to supervisor, you're going to get an error message. And the reason being is that you don't want your signature to go all the way close to the box here. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this and then go back to marker and then just sign it here and then submit to supervisor. You will then get another dialog box and it'll say, please verify your signature is correct, and then click OK. After you do so, then you will get a notification that your time card was submitted successfully. So you can check the approval status and find out where your time card is throughout the process. And if it's still pending approval, a process from your supervisor, you'll see that here. So I'm going to go ahead and create another time card because let's just say that I also did some TA work. So, and one other thing you have to remember also is that you need to make sure that you take a meal break if you're going to be working more than 5 hours. So make sure that you do take a 30-minute uninterrupted meal break. So let's just say on May 24th, you did some work here, some TA work. And let's just say 1 hour. You're going to describe the type of work, and you'll say TA, and then the professor that you did the TA work for. Okay. And then, for instance, in this case, I only did 1 hour for this pay period. You're going to again select the department that you did the TA work for. For nursing, we're going to go ahead and record 8039, and then select the appropriate signature authority person, and again record work study 114, 1 hour, and sign your time card and submit to supervisor and say okay. And that should complete the process of completing your time card. If you have any technical difficulties getting onto the site, you can contact our SMU IT help desk. But if you have a question regarding the actual time card, you can reach one of us at the Office of People and Culture. Thank you.